Let's pretend I went all over the state of Pennsylvania to these 10 locations, took a stream sample, and found the pH. While I was there, I took a picture of some of the local wildlife. I want to see the effect of acid rain on the pH of that water and the local wildlife. The problem is, when I got home, I realized I did not label my photographs correctly. I labeled the pH of the streams 1 through 10, but not my photographs. I used letters for my photographs. So how can I figure out which photograph went to which site? What I'm going to do is take a look at the pH values for each site. That's going to help me figure out what kind of wildlife would I expect. If it's a lower pH, I'm going to expect less wildlife and only pollution tolerant. If the pH is closer to 7 and the stream is in pretty good condition, I'll expect to see abundant wildlife and more pollution sensitive. Some of the things I'm also going to want to notice is the location of the power plants, if they're within that 35-mile radius, as well as the limestone beds, because limestone has an effect of keeping the pH close to neutral. So I'm going to look at my photographs. For example, letter P says that there are no power plants within 35 miles, and I have pretty good wildlife. So I'm going to look on my map and see if I can find a location that has no power plants within that circle. If that's the case, then that's going to be letter P. So even if a little bit of the power plant is within the circle, we're going to count it, and that's going to help us determine which photographs go with which location.